Why engineering geological investigation? Engineering geological investigation is to find out the factors influencing the engineering buildings to copy the quality of the geological investigation and study for the geological factors including geological structure or geological structure, geomorphology and hydrogeological conditions, conditions of soil and rock physical and mechanical properties, natural physical geological phenomena and natural building materials which are often referred to as the engineering geological conditions. After finding out the engineering geological conditions, according to the design of the building structure and operation characteristics, prediction of engineering structures and geological environment interaction, i.e., engineering geological effect, characteristics and scale, and make a correct evaluation, to determine the stability of the building and the normal use of protective measures to provide a basis. What is included in the detailed survey phase generally includes two parts: text and graphics. Text with project survey, survey and objective task, survey method and complete the work, according to the specification of the standard, engineering geological and hydrological conditions, geological features and parameters of site seismic effect, etc. Finally make a comprehensive evaluation of foundation, extraction bearing capacity charts part including the floor plan, section, drilling histogram, geotechnical test results table, physical and mechanical index statistics, stratified soil test report, etc.